Hey guys, so we are quickly going to kind of go back over how we are going to fix the STAAR chart on the day of the STAAR test, or just anytime we have to use it in class, on homework, or anything like that. So specifically, we are talking about area and volume, and remember, area and volume are literally written on the paper, and they are going to be in your word problem. So those are going to be our key words. So as soon as you get that paper on the day of the STAAR, you're going to fix it. So remember, in triangle, when we have that 1/2, we are not just going to mark it and rewrite it on this one, because sometimes we could see this formula on the STAAR. So instead, what I want you to do is I would just want you to rewrite the entire formula, and over here, area equals, and we're not going to write the 1/2, we're just going to write BH, and remember that's multiplication, base times height, and then 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. So I want you to leave both of them, because sometimes this is what they want you to match, but when we actually solve, it's easier to do divided by 2, okay? And then rectangle and parallelogram, the only thing I want you to do is add the word square, because sometimes they talk about squares and we need to find the area of a square as well. And then for trapezoid, same thing, we're not gonna get rid of that trapezoid formula. It has the 1/2, so we're gonna rewrite it. So A equals parentheses, and remember, we don't need the 1 and the 2 on the bases, it's just base and base. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the times height, and then divided by 2 would go at the back, because again, when we solve, it's easier to divide by 2 than to use that 1/2. And then on volume, we actually can go ahead and mark that volume formula out, because that's not the one that we are going to use. We are going to use volume equals length times width times height. Okay? And remember, you can also put a little reminder that we need 3 numbers for volume. If you don't, it's going to be in your answer. And that is what we should do before we do anything on the STAAR test. So go fix that now for me, please.